Turning a dollar into a cube. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, so you're folding it one way. Then you're going to fold it the other way, the same way. Okay, now you're folding the corners. Then you're going to fold it up. Okay, you're going to fold it up again. Ooh. I wonder how big this cube is going to be. It's probably not going to be that big, guys. But wow. Now you're folding the cube. Oh, I can see how it's starting to become a cube. Oh, so you're gonna keep doing that to make the cube thicker. Oh, that's so cool. It kind of you could basically draw on this cube and literally do a die. This would literally be for a game or something. Ooh, this looks amazing. Oh, then you just tuck the corner in. Oh my gosh, it really is a cube. This is amazing, guys. Wow.